welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, I'm Johnny Rodriguez, you're watching Exhaust Note channel. I'm on the highway right now. It looks like everything's opened up. We got some traffic flow. Nothing major, obviously, because it's not that busy yet. No school. Certain businesses are open. You know, some gyms are open, but my gym is still not open. It's frustrating. I need to get to the gym. Maybe I should change my membership. But then I got to drive pretty far to go to the gym, so it's kind of a hit or miss. I guess if I want to go bad enough, I'll go to another gym, right? Neither here nor there. But we're heading towards the dealership. Got to drop my baby off, get some service done. Last time I got my oil change, which was only about a week ago, needed the oil service done. The technician said he found like a small minor oil pan leak. He showed me the pictures of it. There's nothing really dripping anywhere, but you know, it's under warranty, so they're gonna change it out. I guess they maybe needed to order some parts or something, so schedule an appointment today, drop it off. Also got to bring a little BMW, the 06 BMW 325 we sold last week. I got to get that in for some tires. I agreed as part of the deal, put some tires on it for him, which still made sense financially to do that for him, to keep the deal together. Plus I need to sell these cars. Never know what's going to happen. Business, of course, you know, it's still in that struggle mode. So we got to see, time will tell, you know. We'll see what happens. See if we can get out of this rut. If not, your boy will be job hunting. You know, it happens. You know, you gotta make it happen when it comes to business. You never know, man. You know, punches get thrown at you. You either can dodge a few, take a couple, and maybe fight back. And we'll see how that works out for us here at Sarasota Cars and Trucks. So either way, I went to a dealership, dropped this car off. Let's see if they got a loaner for me. Hopefully it's a nice little BMW loaner. Maybe I can squeeze out like an MA competition. Yeah. What do you guys think? MA comp as a loaner? You never know. I could get lucky. Didn't grab my camera in time, but on the northbound side of the highway, there was a sweet Aventador S just drove by in that blue that Lamborghini does that's really close to my blue. The blue that I wanted to order my Huracan Evo in. Just drove by on the other side of the highway. I couldn't grab my camera quick enough. Maybe my dash cam, you know, a real wide angle, I might be able to scoop that up. You figure it's about 10:13, 1 minute earlier when it drove by, so I might be able to find that in my dash cam later. We'll see. If I find it, you guys will see it right on there. I'll see if it can see on the other side of the highway. It should, right? I mean, it records in 4K, picks everything up. We'll check it out, see if it works. Well, here she is, service department. BMW Sarasota hooking me up with some service. So let's see if we can get a loaner. I see my boy Chris's little purple BMW hiding over here. Don't forget to follow at C Sirapoca. I'll post his little IG. This thing's sweet. Very, very sweet. Doesn't need a bath. Looks pretty clean. Looks like you might have cleaned it. Chris, you're keeping her clean, baby. You're keeping her clean. I'm waiting on an Uber, and look, here it is. It's here waiting on me. Right there. Bam, my Malibu. I gotta go get this other BMW, and I'll be back. Here's the little 06 BMW we sold. Gotta get some tires here. Yeah, these tires are good. They got plenty of tread. The front ones don't make any noise, but the rear ones are chopped out. And then you're not gonna be able to see on camera. On the inside of them, you can see like they have dirt spot and a clean spot. So they're all chopped, so they're just making a lot of noise. And I gotta replace them because not safe. She's got a little baby, so I just want to make sure they got a safe car to drive. Check out this sweet M5 in front of me. The V10 M5 right there, a young lady driving, that's pretty sweet. This 06 I sold, this thing's clean, man, look at this. Has 84,000 miles on it. Super clean, man, super clean. They got a nice one. Very nice car, everything's loaded up too. Sunroof, dual climate, got the Bluetooth, nice car. Yeah, this thing needs tires bad. Just even at low speed, not even doing 40, you can hear the the road, the tires are just, they're like chalked out bad. Just whoa, you're badly. Balance isn't real good either. It's probably going to need all four. Even though the front tires aren't the ones really making noise, you can hear it coming from the back strong. And you can visually see like where the tire touches and doesn't on those rear tires on the inside. Probably just whoever bought them, they maybe didn't balance them, or maybe the car needed an alignment at the time, and all they did was just put some tires on and we're done with it. So I'm going to have it inspected over there and make sure it's a safe car for them, and make sure they're very happy. So got to keep the customers happy, man, best we can, especially at this times. Got to try to keep the little bit of business I do have, I am getting, so got to keep those ones happy so they can at least spread the word when business does pick back up and people start choosing Sarasota Cars and Trucks again for all their used car purchasing needs. So we'll see how that goes.
Whenever you're done, okay?
It's a nice car. Whose is that?
I have no idea.
So I didn't luck out. I tried, but I'm stuck in the, this is an X3. And it's, I don't know what this color is on the outside. I don't know if it's like a greenish gray. He said it was gray, but it looks kind of green. I'm not sure. But it's pretty loaded up. Blind spot, collision. No auto cruise control, but pretty nice. No cooled seats. No heated seats. As you can see, that button would be right here. 2020. I guess it's 2020. Let's see. Window sticker should be in here. Hey! It is a 2020 X3 S-Drive. No X-Drive. S-Drive is rear-wheel drive for all you BMW rookies don't know. MSRP $47,100. So not too many options. It's missing a lot. Driver assist, parking, no big deal. Ambient lighting, which should already come in the car. I'm not really sure why that's an option. Convenience package. Nothing fancy at all. I got my mask though, just in case, you know. You never know. I go somewhere and they're like, "Where's your mask? Where's your mask at?" Oh, I did forget to mention that, yeah, of course, as you guys know, we're right next to Lamborghini Sarasota, so check out this red Urus. That thing is pretty sick in red. Look at the Evos. They got Evos everywhere in here. Little Ghost doing some service on some cars. Got a little M3 CS right there. Of course, there's the rest of the new cars over here. Check out this SV they got. A nice little Diablo SV right there. Of course, you know, you can't go wrong. Always going to see an Aventador at the dealership. You know, these Uruses, I remember when these things were not available. Look at this. They got 4 over here. And then they got 1 behind me. Oh, check out this Rari. That's pretty nice. That's got to be like a Roadster, right? I see that black top. I think that's the Roadster one. So let's back this baby up. Don't hit the Lambo. We don't want to pay for that, especially while we're in the loaner. Oh, and another Urus right here. Look at this. Another Urus. These things are everywhere. Couldn't have one on the lot. They're selling like hotcakes when they first came out, but now we got tons of them on the market. They're everywhere now. Sorry, I'm looking back and forth here. Don't want to hit anything in the loaner. Woo! Blowing that AC. It's hot in here. It's day 2 from getting my car repaired. I guess that oil pan leak was a serious job. It wasn't simple. And I found out some bad news about the little silver BMW. It has a bad wheel bearing. So it wasn't the tires the whole time. I thought it was the tires making all that road noise, but it was the bearing. Expensive fix, but it's a safety issue. It's a sold car. I gotta fix it. Gotta make the customer happy. So they're actually extremely happy when they found out I repaired it. So hopefully they'll leave a good review, man. If you guys want to leave a good review, even though you haven't shopped there, I'm happy to. Go to Google it, Sarasota Cars and Trucks, leave a good review. I'd sure appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, hey, this is kind of easy when you drive an automatic, man, and you can hold the camera. Driving a manual and doing this, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Anyways, I'm off to the dealership, get my car at least for now. So we'll be back in my car here shortly. Oh, I see you, look. Is that my old M4 right there? I just posted that picture up on IG. My very first M4 was that color. That 2016 I had bought. Man, the merging power in this car is horrible compared to mine. I forgot how good that Secure Orange looks, man. Oh, it looks so good in person. Miss that color right there. I miss that car. I used to love that M4. But, you know, I got my M3 now, and I actually love that one too. So I love the fender flares the M3's got, but M4 still always looks good. Close to my heart. But where's my Jeep Nation at? Jeep fans, man. This thing's nice. A little Sahara. It's pretty good looking. And I almost thought this was a cop rolling up behind me. I mean, I'm flowing with traffic. Not a bad deal, but you know how those Dodge Chargers roll up behind you fast? I was like looking down at my speed like, uh-oh. Am I about to get pulled over? See it behind me? You guys see that back there? It's freaking Dodge Chargers everywhere. Well, we're here at BMW. Got the wife some flowers. What do you guys think? I used to get the flowers all the time when I worked here. Flower guy comes like once a week. Used to buy flowers for her all the time, but now since I don't work here, you know, I gotta go get the flowers and I don't always have the time. Or maybe I'm just making excuses, just like the rest of us guys, huh? But I figured, hey, he was here, let me get some flowers while he was here, right? And you know, while I pick up my baby. Yeah, I missed her. Driving that X3 ain't the same. So let's get inside here. Check out this hairnet they put on my steering wheel. What do you guys think of that, huh? Oh my gosh. They left this thing on, didn't take it off, but I guess I'll just still throw it out. Got me a hairnet from a steering wheel though. Now he fixed some of the chip in the wheel. Let's go around over here. Let's see if we can find this chip on the wheel. See how it looks. Oh man. It's the right rear. Yep, it's right here. Right there. I can tell because the rest of the wheel's a little dirty, but man, he did a outstanding job right there, man. Can't even, it was a huge, I don't know if you guys remember, but I think it was like right here in this spot. Big old chip. It's probably about here, it's about as big as that right there, as I'm circling my finger, about as big as this bolt, the head of that bolt there. It looks great. And he fixed a few others, but yeah, he didn't get this one here. I might go back there and see him to fix these two. These were just from rocks on the highway, man. Just happens, I guess. Rest of the car looks all right. A lot of bugs still. Should probably clean it. This one looks good. Did he fix this one? Let me see. I think there was a chip in this one too. He must have did this one and just didn't notice those other ones. I can't tell if he did it. I think he did. I think right here he fixed it because this is like a clean spot. It was a small one right there. What's up, man? And there was one in this wheel. Nah, it's still here, but it's small. It's a little tiny one right there. Anyways, looks good. Let's get in it. Oh, goodness. Let's get back in it. Hey, what do you guys think about a cold start? I haven't heard my car in a couple of days. Let's see. Let's cold start. I don't think it was cold. It was definitely warm, so let's get inside. Yeah, he just had it back there. He did finish the wheels about an hour ago, so the car was still warm. And I'm sweating. It is hot out here. What's the temp today in Florida? We got, come on, temperature. That ain't right. I just turned the car on. It says 113 degrees. It just went down. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like. I'll see you guys on the next go round. I'll be back.